I've been informed that on Russian social media there are some devotees who are, in my name, quoting my name, making very insulting comments about some of my godbrothers and about some leading devotees in Russia. As is fairly well known, I have differences of opinion, quite deep differences of opinion, with some other devotees within Srila Prabhupada's ISKCON about various points. But openly and in a most insulting manner, criticizing other devotees, and especially, I'm told this is by even very newer devotees, don't do it in my name. If you want to do it, I don't approve of it. I just want to make that point clear. And it's not good for you, for your spiritual life. It's going to be disastrous. Please don't do it. And if you're attached to doing it, you can reject me if you want, but I don't accept you if you're doing this. Valid criticism is not blasphemy. It's not wrong, but if it's actually valid. But especially for newer devotees to get, I've said this so many times, for newer devotees to get involved in so many things, if you can't relate to what's going around you in the name of ISKCON, sit at home, chant Hare Krishna, keep association with those who you can relate to. Don't blaspheme devotees. Hare Krishna.